Good morning everyone. Today we will continue our same topic, same chapter. It is the central tendency. Arithmetic mean about the central tendency. Before we will start the today's lecture, we just overview the previous lecture कि हम क्या क्या कर चुके हैं. What is the arithmetic mean? We have already seen that. What is the arithmetic mean? देख चुके हम लोग. Fine. And arithmetic mean have the three type of series, that is individual series, discrete series and continuous series. हम ये सारी series भी देख चुके हैं. With these three series we have the do the sum with the different method also. Direct method, shortcut method and step division method. We already seen about all these three series and all these three method also. And missing frequency find out with the help of the direct method. Missing value we have to find out with the direct method. And another series are open-ended series हम देख चुके हैं. Less than frequency, more than frequency, mid if the mid value is given to you. So ऐसी बहुत सारी series और बहुत सारे terms हम लोग arithmetic mean में complete कर चुके हैं. And in the previous lecture we had seen the combined mean. We can say combined mean already we did see. Now today's topic is the corrected mean. What do you mean by the correction? Correction का मतलब क्या होता है? Corrected mean it means the if you are getting the mean that is the incorrect because of the incorrect of data. ठीक है? Suppose just an example आपने mean निकाला है तो what is the formula of mean? X bar equal to sigma x upon n. Clear? ये आपका mean का formula है, basic formula. Now you just got the mean. Suppose x bar equal to 25. If you got the x bar equal to 25, sigma x equal to 250 and divided by 10, so we got the x bar equal to 25. But if your sigma x is wrong, what do you mean by the sigma x? It means the sum of the observation. अगर आपका sum of the observation wrong है तो उसका reason है. क्या reason है? Suppose I took this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 students लेती हूँ, इनके marks लेती हूँ. Out of 10 we can say. So out of 10, 9, 3, 2, 1, 5, 8, 9, 10, 9 like this. अब मैं इनका total लगाती हूँ. So whatever total I got, so that is our question. Fine. But इसके 2 नंबर के अगेंस्ट में मैंने भूल से 5 नंबर ले लिया. था कितना? 2. मैंने by mistake I get the 5. It means 3 का difference यहाँ आ गया. अगर इसमें difference आया है तो simultaneously हमारे sum of में भी difference आएगा. So if my sigma x is wrong, definitely my x bar is wrong. So with the help of this correct or incorrect data, we just find out the what? Corrected mean. So today's topic is the corrected mean. Now write down one example and do this sum also. So first corrected mean equal to correct x bar equal to चलो सबसे पहले आएगा sigma x wrong, sigma x, but which one? Wrong one. Wrong करने में मीन्स आपने जो गलत एडिशन कर दिया है वो प्लस करेक्ट वैल्यू माइनस इनकरेक्ट वैल्यू प्लस करेक्ट वैल्यू माइनस incorrect value we have to write down here only correct x bar equal to upon n. Clear? It means what is the correct x bar? Sigma x, whatever we sum of the wrong sum of plus correct value minus incorrect value divided by n. For this purpose we just take the one example. Here one example is given. The average weight of a group of 25 boys. It means your n equal to, it is given to you. First write down the given. Fine. The average weight of group of 25 boys was calculated to be 52 kg. It means your n is 25 and that weight is your weight is x bar equal to 52 kg. It is given to in the sum. Clear? Now, it was later discovered that one weight was missed as 45 kg instead of 54 kg. It means एक बच्चे का weight हमने क्या लिया है 45 kg. That is the wrong. Instead of what? Instead of what? 54. It means 54 kg लेना था हमने बोल से. This is the right one, or we can say correct one. We just take the 54, but we took the 45. Clear? So find out the corrected mean of this data. Find out the corrected mean of this data. So first we need the sigma x, wrong sigma x. As per the formula, we need the wrong sigma x. So you just find out the wrong sigma x. First write down the formula x bar equal to sigma x upon n. Fine. In this system, 52 is given to you. Clear? And sigma x is given to you? No. So sigma x upon n, it means 25. Now cross multiplication. So you got sigma x, but which one? Wrong one. Because this is the wrong x bar. Because you are taking the wrong data. So this is your wrong x bar. Wrong. With the help of the wrong x bar, you just find out the wrong sigma x. So sigma x equal to 52 into 25. So what is your answer? 52 into 25. It's become 1300. It means wrong sigma x equal to 1300. You got one value, but it is the wrong value. Fine. Now put this value in the formula. So now just put the value in the formula, this formula. So correct x bar equal to, what is wrong sigma x beta? Wrong sigma x, you got the 1300 minus plus, what is the correct value? This is the correct one. So you just write down the 54. What is the wrong value? 45 minus 45 divided by 25. Clear? So just calculate this, equal to 1354 minus 45 divided by 25. Just solve it. What is your x bar? So our x bar is 52.36 kg. 52.36 kg. And this is our correct x bar. Clear, students? This is our correct x bar. This is the corrected mean. Now, with the help of the same data, we just do the another sum. Another sum is given to you. We just write down the given here. Question number 2 for the corrected mean. It is given. What is the given? The mean salary paid to 1000 employees of a factory was corrected mean. So first we just put the simple formula x bar equal to sigma x upon n. What is your x bar? 180.4 equal to sigma x. What is your sigma x you have? No, we just find out the sigma x upon n 1000. So 184 divided by 10, डेसिमल को हटा दिया बेटा हमने, मल्टीप्लाई 1000 इक्वल टू सिग्मा x. So 0 0. So your answer sigma x equal to 180400. But in rupee only. अभी हमको टर्म्स की जरूरत नहीं है, आंसर लिखेंगे तो यूनिट्स के साथ लिखेंगे. But what happened? This sigma x is correct? No, it is a wrong one. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने जो ये डेटा किया है ना वो ही रॉन्ग था. फाइन. सो जस्ट फाइंड आउट द करेक्टेड सिग्मा x. इसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? पहले अभी जो मेथड की थी उसी को फॉलो करना है, बट डिफरेंट वे. जस्ट सी द डिफरेंट मेथड आल्सो. यू जस्ट फाइंड आउट द सिग्मा x. It is called the corrected sigma x. Correct sigma x. So what is the formula of correct sigma x? Wrong sigma. Same formula we can apply. Wrong sigma x plus correct value minus wrong value. First we will find out the correct sigma x. So what is correct wrong value? 1,80,400. 1,80,400. Just total 1804. Now, incorrect value. What are the incorrect or wrong value? These are the wrong value. So plus first, what is the correct value? 197 and 185. So 197 plus 185 minus 297 and which one? 165. So we just find out the minus or plus in the bracket beta. 297 minus, so here we just put the plus also. इसको डायरेक्ट माइनस लिख सकता हूँ, माइनस तो प्लस ब्रैकेट हटा देता हूँ. So 197 minus which one? 165. It means your data is just add this much and add this much and minus of this. So your answer should be 1,80,320. 1,80,320. It is what? Sigma x. Which one? Correct one. Fine. Now just find out the x bar equal to sigma x upon n. पहले जो मेथड अप्लाई किया था उससे भी कर सकते हो, इससे भी कर सकते हो. वॉट एवर यू वांट. सिग्मा एक्स करेक्ट वन 1,80,320 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. चलो 18032. दो डेसिमल का है तो दो स्पेस. दिस इज द करेक्ट सिग्मा एक्स. Clear? So 180.32 and before that 180.4. Clear everyone? This is all about the corrected value of the x bar. Now we just do the next sum. Question number 3 for the corrected x bar. Now next sum is the average marks in statistics of 10 students. Now question number 3 of this, what is the given? First write down the given. This is just practice में रखना है, given सबसे पहले रखना है. The average marks in statistics 10 students of the class were 68. So what is your n? 10 equal to 10. Now what are the average marks? It means your x bar. So what is your x bar? That is 68. Now a new student took admission. New student took admission. This something different. Better please focus here. Now, a new student took admission with 72 marks. New student. उसके मार्क्स कितने? 72 marks. Fine. Whereas two existing students left the college. Two students left the college. If the marks of these students were 40 and 39, मतलब जो दो बच्चे स्कूल छोड़ के जा रहे हैं उनके मार्क्स कितने थे? 40 and 39. Find out the corrected average mean. Find out the corrected average mean. First, that is the same method. बाद में explain करते हैं, बाद में discuss करते हैं. First, what you want? Sigma x. So sigma x upon n. What is 68 equal to sigma x upon 10? So 68 into 10 equal to sigma x. So your wrong sigma x is 68. This is the first step. Clear? This is the first step. Now the correct sigma x. Simple method. Something is we can say थोड़ा सा complications कहाँ आ जाता है वो देखना है आपको. Same sum but still something different with दूसरे sum से. Now this is the wrong sigma x. So what is the corrected sigma x formula? So correct sigma x equal to wrong sigma x plus correct value minus incorrect value. This is the formula, okay? Yes. So what is the wrong value? 680. So 680 plus what is the correct value? 72. नया जो आया स्टूडेंट 72. And what are the incorrect value? Incorrect value it means यहाँ हम incorrect जो correct नहीं दिए, यहाँ हमको क्या बोला है बेटा कि one student took the admission. It means ये new आया so इसको plus करेंगे. And two students left the school college. So it means ये दो हमारे wrong हो गए. ठीक है? Correct is one new one जो हमारे लिए अब नया admission है. Suppose you are taking the admission in the school. So that is you are the new students. तो आपको ऐड करेंगे और जो बच्चे चले गए उनके नाम हम रजिस्टर में से रिमूव करेंगे. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट हम 72 को ऐड करेंगे और जो दो स्टूडेंट्स लेफ्ट हो गए हैं उनके रजिस्टर में से नंबर रिमूव कर देंगे. सो रिमूव दिस. यहाँ करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट नहीं गिवन है बट दिस इज द सिंपल लॉजिक. इफ सपोज योर स्टूडेंट इज 40, वन स्टूडेंट टुक द एडमिशन, सो हम उसको रजिस्टर में ऐड करेंगे. एंड अमॉन्ग द यू पीपल एग्जिस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स 2 people left the school, so हम उसको रजिस्टर में से कट करेंगे. जस्ट लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट वैल्यू एंड दिस इज द रॉन्ग वैल्यू 40 and 39. Just do the calculation. 68 plus 72 minus 40 and minus 39. So it becomes 673. So your corrected sigma x 673. 3 or 8? 673. Clear? So this is your correct sigma x. Now just find out the x bar equal to sigma x upon n. But keep in your mind students, here n is also changed. How? Suppose your class strength is 40. One student took admission, so now your class strength is 41. And among your existing students, 2 students left the school. It means now your strength is 39. So now here n is also corrected. It means what is your n? So sigma x is 673 and your n is 9. Because 10 students are there, 1 took admission and 2 left the school college. So your 673 divided by 9. So your answer becomes 74.78 marks. 78.74 marks. 74.78 marks. Clear? So maybe this type of sum is also happened. आपको directly correct and incorrect is not given, but still you just find out the what is the correct value and what is the incorrect value. So that's all for today. In next lecture we just seen about the weightage mean. So this is the last topic of this chapter, weightage mean, and next lecture we just discuss about the weightage mean, and that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.